Right now, Bitcoin is breaking above a key downtrend here on the 4-hourly time frame, and in this exact video, I will be going over this important downward sloping resistance line that has been providing all the way towards the downside resistance, and I will be going over my price targets, the levels where Bitcoin is most likely heading towards, and much more. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Can we smash it above 400 likes again today? That will be absolutely incredible. So don't forget to smash up that like button, and let's jump straight away in towards the content. And let me first initially start to talk about the 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin, because if we do extend this downward sloping resistance line, we can clearly see that we currently have been once again approaching it, and after we've been successfully breaking above it, we are right now confirming a break above this 1 hour downtrend here on the Bitcoin price action. If I also do extend the upward sloping support line, we can start to see that we're actually also breaking above this previous support line that of course was flipping into resistance after we broke below it, and like you can see, we started to see the rejection exactly over here, and right now once again we retested it. We got rejected for 1 hour, and after the other candle came, basically we once again straight away crushed above it. So right now this is definitely a good development for the market, and basically what we can see is that Bitcoin is breaking a critical downtrend in the market that has been trading here, and this could be leading towards more potential upside getting generated. Also, to be very honest, we're currently breaking above the previous high in the market, because if you're setting up a resistance box here on the market, the 20.5k was basically the level to be breaking above, and like you can currently see, we have been clearly significantly breaking above this key level of resistance, and right now we can start to look for more potential upside in this market. Also, looking at the 4-hourly time frame, looking at the parallel channel, we're once again exactly bouncing from off the middle line of the parallel channel, and after we've basically tested the middle line of the parallel channel, we're starting to be bouncing back towards the upside, just like we've been getting doing last time around, and just like we've been getting rejected also from this parallel channel last time around. Still looking at the parallel channel on the daily time frame, we could be still look for a potential breakdown, but once we do break above the top side of resistance with the daily candle and the 4-hourly candle, that is going to be the signal where I think, okay, right now we could be expecting to see that further continuation happening for Bitcoin towards the upside. So that is also still the thing I'm waiting for. We need to break significantly above $21,000 to confirm a breakout of the parallel channel right here. Then looking at the 4-hourly time frame, I mean, if I'm looking at the 4-hourly time frame, we can start to see that clearly Bitcoin, of course, create a beautiful upward sloping support line on the 4-hourly time frame, and we were also spotting this downward sloping resistance line from the top side, was basically providing the resistance, right, for Bitcoin. Right now, we clearly saw the 4-hourly time frame was squeezing its price action in towards an apex, and after we've been basically successfully broke above the downward sloping resistance line, I mean, I would say successfully right now, but actually in the coming 50 minutes, this 4-hourly candle will close, and that will confirm the confirmation of this potential breakout on the 4-hourly time frame. We could start to look at more potential upside happening for the market. Still, also what is important to be looking at right now is on the 4-hourly time frame, this potential end pattern, right? Because so far we've been creating a double top on the market, and like I told you guys yesterday, only if Bitcoin breaks below $20,000, I honestly expect we're going to be seeing a very quick movement towards the downside, because that basically means the Bitcoin is going to be breaking that important floor price. However, right now what we can see is that Bitcoin is not breaking below that floor price. No, it's bouncing from it, and we can see in the 4-hourly time frame as well that we have been shaping up a symmetrical triangle, and that we have been breaking bullish outside of it. The price target is not necessarily so high. The price target is laying around that 20.8 towards 20.9k target, so we actually almost already reached it. And in my opinion, this still the big thing that what we need to do right now, and where we need to be breaking above here, is going to be the $21,000 barrier, right? So the $21,000 barrier is this top side of previous very strong support that here flipped into resistance, that most likely will try to be providing resistance once again. And if we break above this critical level, and I can even extend this level, right, and you can see over here as well, support, resistance, support. This is an important level with high confidence. If we do break above that $21,000 with a 4-hourly candle close, my expectation is that Bitcoin is going to continue way higher, and also the exact other way around. And if we're going to be breaking towards the downside, so if we break the important support box, that is going to be the point where we will be looking for more lower side price targets. So it's very simple. Whether Bitcoin is going to be breaking above the range, we're going to be looking more bullish. Whether Bitcoin is going to be breaking below the range, we're going to be looking more bearish. And of course, right now we're looking at this range also with the help of a downward sloping and upward sloping support line. And clearly we're breaking the resistance line. And due to that reason, we could be expecting more upside is going to be happening. And actually, if you do want to be trading outside of this range, so if you want to be trading the exact breakout of this symmetrical triangle right here, or if you want to be trading the exact breakout of the range we're currently trading in, between support and resistance, you could do so on Bybit or BitGet. If you're going to do so, make sure to check out the link in the description right now, because if you sign up using the links in the description, you will be getting an additional deposit bonus on top of your initial deposit already. And with the deposit bonus, you can basically execute free trades. So make sure to check it out right now in the link in the description if you are interested in trading. Furthermore, looking at that price action of Bitcoin, we can start to see that the daily time frame is having some interesting development, right? So we have been initially start to see the first higher high on the daily time frame. We have been confirming a higher high right there, while we in fact also have been starting to confirm that higher low structure, right, on the market. We've been confirming higher lows, we've been confirming a higher high, and what we want to be seeing next here is basically a continuation of the trend. And what is going to be an important level, in my opinion, if I also set up a horizontal level, is going to be this level right here, right? So what we can see from this level is that basically this level has been historically providing a lot of support, also resistance, and if we breach above this previous high on the daily candle, it will basically confirm an even stronger continuation, likely towards the upside, going to be following after that, because that is of course the swing high we have to be taking out in the market right here, because this was definitely a level that we approached and we had a severe rejection in just one day of an approximately 12%. It's going to be extremely important to see what is going to be happening for Bitcoin. So far, what is definitely true, we are in the middle of a bear market. Look at this, we are down significantly from the all-time high, and if you're basically looking at this consolidation phase in the market right now, it looks like a very boring phase in the market. And actually, is the very boring phase? Yes, it is. But usually in bear markets, the price action is very boring until it doesn't, until it moves very big up or very big down. But make sure that you do not lose your attention in the bear market, because in the bear markets is basically where the big money is made in this market. Also, if we're going to look at the EMA ribbon, we can currently start to see that Bitcoin is actually started to be bouncing from the EMA ribbon, and I expect actually to see tomorrow the bullish cross finally happening for Bitcoin. And like we do know, the last time the bullish cross did happen was on approximately 226 days ago. What is of course a quite of a significant amount of time here, and historically speaking, always once we see a bullish crossover on the EMA ribbon, we at least tend to see in the imminent short term for the coming 10 days more bullish price action. And this is the first time the signal will flash in an approximately 226 days, and due to that reason, tomorrow we're going to cross bullish, and it is likely to see a small little continuation towards the upside happen from off that point onwards. Anyways, this was it for me on today's update video. If you do enjoy the content, don't forget to slap up that like button on today's video. And of course, if you want to learn how to copy trade, or if you want to be learning on how to be basically make passive income in the industry, check out the videos that are currently popping up above. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.